Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, somewhere in December last week, GitHub has sent me this amazing gifts. Why GitHub has actually sent? It is for the GitHub Star Awards. Usually people get this gift when they do amazing contribution in the GitHub, most of the open source projects. So today I'm going to do the unboxing of this. Definitely two different gifts are there. I don't know what all these things are, but let's go ahead and let's try to do the unboxing and let's see what all things are actually there. One thing, you can also get this specific gifts. For that, you have to do continuous contribution in GitHub. So in 2021, I have really uploaded a lot of projects to repositories. I've solved many issues in the open source projects, and because of that, I got nominated for the GitHub Star Awards. So let's proceed and let's try to do the unboxing of this. And obviously, I'll take this knife and quickly do it. So here it is. You can see this specific thing where it says in the back it is written with some amazing words. Thank you for the tremendous work that you do in the community by inspiring, educating and influencing all those around you. So probably I will put up this screenshot in front of you. You can read it out. So yes, this is definitely for GitHub stars. So wow. So here you have this teddy bear. I'm just going to keep it in my new office in iNeuron, new cabin that I actually have. So here is a small teddy bear over here. Okay, this is an amazing cap from the GitHub. Wow. So here you have the t-shirt also. I'm going to wear this now more regularly. So here is the t-shirt. Wow, it also has some amazing hoodies. I was planning to take some hoodies. So finally I got one hoodie over here. So amazing. So this is the GitHub hoodie. I'll probably at last take up all these things. And here you have a mic. So here you have this pop shield for the mic itself. And probably I'll also unbox this at the last. My God, there's so many things. I don't know what exactly this is, but it looks awesome and amazing. Okay, so this is the cutest cup from GitHub, which again I'm going to keep it in my. Wow, it looks amazing. So here is the cup. So I'm just going to keep it here. There's still many things, so many stickers. Probably I'll distribute this entirely in my team. My goodness, I did not knew that this many things they will be giving. See the stickers. Probably if you want any of them, you can visit my office and probably take some. See the stickers again. So there's one more finally. And what is this? My God. This is like someone is proposing me for marriage or something else. So here you have something like this kind of stars. Oh, this is earrings. I really have to create a hole in my ears now. Pierce holes in my ears so to wear this. Definitely I don't know whom to give this, but I'll see whether I'll plan to pierce or not. My parents will definitely scold me. Finally, you have more t-shirts. I am not going to buy t-shirts now. So here are all the t-shirts. 4 t-shirts. Okay, 5 t-shirts. My goodness. And one more letter is there. I don't know what exactly it is, but definitely. So this is the award that you basically get for doing a lot of contributions. So these are some of the stickers again for GitHub. And here it is. Final one thing that I missed is socks. Okay, so GitHub has also sent me this amazing socks. So this was one entire thing. The other thing is this one, which again looks fabulous. Let me guess, this may be another kind of golden or silver plate, like how YouTube usually gives. Let's see whether it is true or not. I'm just going to open it. Okay. Oh my God, it's difficult. Wow, I think this is what it is, but I think this is a plate, I guess. Okay, so this may be a plate. Here you go. Again, like in YouTube also, we get a silver plate. For 100k subscribers, mine is still 500k. Once I reach 1 million, I'll be getting a golden plate. So here is amazing thing. You can see again, this is the certificate that they have actually provided. So you can read it out, you can pause the video and read it completely. But the super important thing, which again I'm going to put it over here in the back in my office. Let's see what exactly it is. It's amazing, it's beautiful with my name on it, and that is the golden plate. So here you see this. So it is basically written presented with heart by GitHub in 2021. So here is this entire golden plate. So it is obviously amazing to see if you do so many different kind of contribution towards the open source community, you see this amazing things, right? So I'm just going to keep it here. Probably all the other things, I'm just going to remove it. And there's so many things, my goodness, I never knew. And probably YouTube has also not provided me this many things, but definitely I love this teddy. And the most important thing is that I'm not going to buy any t-shirts now. See this teddy bear. Oh, it's like an octopus. So here you go. Here you have the pop shield. Here you have the t-shirts. Here you have the cup. I'm just going to move everything aside. And probably we'll do some kind of direction. Now, why I'm showing you all these things? It's like anybody can get this award. For that, you just have to do some proper contribution in the GitHub community. Try to solve as many issues as you can. Then people will try to see your efforts, and then definitely they'll try to nominate. So yes, let me show you a complete view of all the gifts that I've got. So guys, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. Again, try to contribute, try to add values in others' life. You will definitely get rewarded. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one all. Bye-bye.